Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you different ways at which you can make money with the Shopify e-commerce platform. So basically, the Shopify e-commerce platform is an hosting platform that allows you to host your products, be it digital products or physical products, and sell on the platform and make money in return. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through several methods at which you can use this Shopify e-commerce platform to make money. All right, so if there's something you'd like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you different methods at which you can use the Shopify e-commerce platform to make money. So the first method I'm going to be sharing with you is the dropshipping business model. Now, Shopify makes it easy for you to make money via dropshipping because the platform provides so many tools and automated apps that you can use to scale your dropshipping business. So the platform allows dropshipping and makes it easy for users to sell other people's products on the platform. So for you to understand dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell other people's products without buying the product. So basically what you want to do is just go over to a supplier website, for example AliExpress. So when you get to AliExpress, look for a product you want to sell. Okay, so there are several products on AliExpress that cost less than $1. So import this product, then come back to Shopify, create an online store, then upload this product on your online store, then increase the price tag. So for example, the product you are buying on AliExpress cost $1. So you can sell this product on your own dropshipping website, which is Shopify, for $15. So your profit on this product is going to be $14. So for example, let's take a look at this Shopify dropshipping website. So this is a Shopify dropshipping store, and looking at the products they have on this store, this one here costs $89, this one here costs $39, this one here costs $12, and this one here costs $49. So they have several products. So in your own case, what you want to do is set up a Shopify store like this, then go over to AliExpress, import this product. So for you to import this product and for you to do it quickly without stressing yourself, there are several apps on the Shopify apps platform that allows you to integrate or link your Shopify store with AliExpress. So just come over to the Shopify app store and search for dropshipping apps. All right, so this is it. So just search for dropshipping apps. So when you search for dropshipping apps, it's going to bring out several apps that you can install on your Shopify store, then link your store with AliExpress. So to even narrow your search, you can even search for AliExpress dropshipping app. So let's search for AliExpress. All right, so as you can see now, these are apps that support the AliExpress website on your Shopify store. So any of this app, you can actually install it on your Shopify app, then link your Shopify store with AliExpress. So whenever you're on AliExpress, you can just click a product like this, install it automatically on your Shopify store. So what you want to do is go back to your Shopify store, then publish this product. So when customer sees this product, when they make a payment for this product, you can also fulfill the product automatically on AliExpress. All right, so your profit for each product you are selling is going to be how much you list the product on your Shopify store versus how much you are buying the product on AliExpress. Now let's take, for example, looking at this product now, the name of this product is anti-skid tire block. So let me open up this product, then we search for the actual price on AliExpress. All right, so let's go over to AliExpress, then search for this product. All right, so as you can see now, these are related products to what we saw. All right, so this is the product. So let me go back so we can be sure. All right, so this is the product. So if you come to AliExpress, you see that this is the product. So on AliExpress, this product is going to cost you $21. So if you go back to this Shopify dropshipping store, you're going to see that the price of this product is $49. So their profit on this product is going to be $49 minus $21. So this is the profit they're going to be making on each sale. So this is something you can also do yourself. So once you have a Shopify store, you want to create an account, that is, you want to set up an online store for yourself, and you can also take advantage of the Shopify free trial. So looking at the trial here, they give you 3 days free trial to try out the platform. But if you want to extend the Shopify free trial, I did a video already on this. I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here. So if you watch the video, you're going to see how you can extend the Shopify free trial to 3 months instead of the normal 3 days. So instead of the normal 3 days, you can actually extend the Shopify free trial for 3 months, and all you have to pay for this 3 months is just $1 each month. So this is going to give you the opportunity to explore the dropshipping business model. So once your store is set up, the next thing you want to put in place, or the next thing you want to check, is the online payment gateway. So for you to start receiving payment from your customer, you need to have a payment gateway that is going to allow you to receive payment from your customer. So remember, your customer has to pay you first, then you pay your supplier on AliExpress or whichever supplier website you are using before they can actually send the product to your customer. So you need to have a payment gateway to your Shopify online store. So just head over to Shopify Payments. When you get to Shopify Payments, you see a list of countries that support different payment gateway on Shopify. So irrespective of the country you want to sell to or the country you are selling from, just choose your country here, then choose a payment gateway that supports your customer base. All right, so if you choose Nigeria here, it's going to bring out the supported payment gateway on Shopify. So looking at the payment gateway supported by Shopify in Nigeria, you can see that you can actually add pay stack here, and you can also use to check out. So just explore all of the options here and find the one that best resonates to what your customer can actually do. But the best payment gateway you can actually use is Stripe. All right, so Stripe supports different countries, it supports international payments, and it makes it easy for you to receive payment from any customer in any country of the world. So for you to incorporate Stripe in your Shopify online store, what you want to do is you want to incorporate your business in the US first. So once you register your business in the US first, then you can now set up a Stripe that allows you to receive payment from any country in the world. So I did a video on how you can set up your business in the US in order for you to be able to use Stripe. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around there. So what you want to do, you want to set up your business first, then create your Stripe account. So once your Stripe account is created, you can now link it to Shopify, or if you have a PayPal account that receives payment, you can also link it to Shopify account and use it to start receiving payments from your Shopify online store. All right, so the first way at which you can actually make money with the Shopify e-commerce platform is through dropshipping. So the second method at which you can make money with this e-commerce platform is by selling your own personal product. So for you to sell your personal product, what you also want to do is look for an wholesale supplier website. Take for example AliExpress or even Alibaba. So product on Alibaba is even more cheaper compared to AliExpress. So when you head over to Alibaba, you see several products you can actually import to your country. All right, so another method to spice this up is to import white label products. So what you want to do is just head over to Alibaba. Then if you have any product in mind, you can actually come over here, then use the image to search the product, or just search for any random product, or even search for white label product. So let's search for white label product and see what is going to come up. All right, so these are white label products. So let's see the products that are in this category. So looking at this product now, so what you want to do when you see products like this, if this is something you can sell, you can just open up the product, message the supplier that you want to brand this image with your company logo. All right, so they are going to create a product, then add your own company brand to the product. So once you import this product to your country, you can now start selling the product as if you are the actual owner of the product. So this is the second method at which you can actually make money on Shopify e-commerce platform. All right, so again, what you want to do is you want to set up your payment gateway and make sure you are able to receive payment from your customer. So the final method at which you can actually make money with the Shopify e-commerce platform is through an affiliate. So you can also promote the platform as an affiliate, then you receive commission on everybody that set up an account with this platform. So if you'd like to learn more on how to make money with Shopify as an affiliate partner, I have a short presentation on how you can start an affiliate business that gives you the opportunity to promote affiliate products and earn in dollars irrespective of your country. So I'm going to add a link to the presentation at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there and watch the video and see how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. All right, so basically this is how you can actually make money with the Shopify e-commerce platform. So if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.